In this video, you'll be learning how to make money on Telegram. On this channel, I've done a couple of videos on how to create a Telegram channel, but in this video, you'll be learning how to monetize the Telegram channel precisely. Just before we get into it, you might want to consider smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any updates we will be uploading very soon. So let's get straight into it. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to install the app Telegram on your phone. Assume that is done already. So let's go to the Telegram app itself. So on the Telegram app, you need to create a channel. Please note that creating a channel for monetization, the channel has to be public. So all you need to do is to click on the pen icon just above the camera icon on the left bottom side on the app. So this is it here. Click on it. Then you find three options. You have new group, new contact, new channel. So you click on new channel. Then you can name your channel. Now, I need to let you know that creating a channel for monetization on Telegram, you should have a niche. You can't be the jack of all trades. You should have a niche. Now, your niche can range from education, news, sports, gist, comedy, whatever the niche is. You just have to have one. So I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using the educational niche. So I'm gonna name this consultancy. Let's just name this health consultancy, and you can use Chat GTP to get a description. I'm just gonna use something short here. Everything we discuss, everything weight loss. All right, talking about niche, the health industry is very wide. So I'm going to just stream it down to we discuss everything weight loss. So that's my niche. So you can get an image from your. Okay, I'm just going to use an emoji, but you should have a professional logo to make it all look professional. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use our emoji. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's use this. Then set channel photo, and while it loads, you can now it's all set up. So just use the mark button here. You can just tick when it's all done. You tick this, and like I said earlier, you want to create a channel for my monetization on Telegram. You need to make it public, not private. Public. So it's all on public. That's fine. So you just have to create a link, a customized link for your channel. And how do you do that? It's written here already. So all you just need to do is just health. Please note that the link should be related to your channel name. So I'm going to use health consultancy. If it has been taken, it will say, sorry, this link already, all right. Sorry, this link is already taken. All right. So probably you just get to add some figures behind it, maybe health consultancy 001. Aha, it's in green now. Then we are good to go. Then you mark this. And now to get started with your channel, you need to have at least a member on the channel. All right. So now automatically, the moment the channel is being created, Telegram gives you the prompt to add anyone from your contact list. I already have Telegram on my device and I've been using it for a while now. I have my channel as well, although not monetized yet, and we are working towards monetization. And we are going to also talk to you about the requirement for monetization in a moment. So, but you need to get started with a member so you can invite as many member as you want to invite. As you can see, I have a whole lot of members all right, a whole lot of contacts on my Telegram here on this device, so you can invite as many as you want. And it should always have a description, a proper description for your channel, so anyone you are inviting, they get to know what your channel is all about and what it stands to benefit. So having done this, what are the requirements for monetization? The very first thing you need to know is that you must be able to grow your channel to at least a minimum of 1,000 follower. Then with that, you will check your statistics. Now I'm going to use okay, I'm just going to pick somebody from here. And so you're going to go to to know if you are eligible for monetization. You're going to go to your statistics. Okay, this doesn't have yet. Okay, it does. Now you can see from this end where it says statistics. Now when you are due for monetization, after you've passed the threshold of 1,000 subscriber, you come to your my statistics here. Here it becomes more detailed. When you are ready for monetization, you find the monetization icon on your statistics. All right, so basically this is how it works. And apart from monetizing from ad from advertisement on your Telegram page, you can also make money through the use of affiliate link, promote your website, promote other people's website. All right, more like e-commerce or drop shipping businesses, whereby you get an affiliate link, you promote it to the members of your channel, they get to buy, you get your commission, and the owner of the goods also get their make their money. So there are a lot of ways apart from just the monetization process. You can always promote your website, your business, advertise the product through your through your Telegram channel. I believe you've been able to get something in this video. And if you have any question, just use the comment section. We'll be happy to attend to it in a moment. I look forward to seeing you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.